video I had explained about the path length and displacement, one of the concept of kinematic. Now in this video I am going to explain about the variable of kinematics such as average speed, instantaneous speed, average velocity and instantaneous velocity. When object is moving, its position change with time. But how fast is the position changing with time and in what direction? I think the idea about this topic might have come in your mind. Yes, you are right, and that is velocity or speed. Now what do you mean by average speed? Average speed is defined as the total path length travel divided by total time taken during which object is in motion. Now average speed equal to total path length and here total time taken. But see, average speed does not tell us in which direction object is moving and how fast an object is moving at any instant time lying between given interval of time. I am giving you one example to explain this topic. Suppose you have started your journey from city A at 7 a.m. and reach city B at 11 a.m. The distance covered by your car during road is like that. Suppose the distance covered by the car is 220 kilometers. So time taken for this journey is 4 hours. So according to the definition of the average speed, the total path length is 220 divided by the total time taken is 4 hours. So 55 kilometers per hour. So average speed is 55 kilometers per hour. Average speed 55 km per hour does not tell us at what speed the car is moving exactly at 10 o'clock. At 10 o'clock, the speedometer of the car indicates 80 km per hour. It means the instantaneous speed of car at 10 o'clock is 80 km per hour. Instantaneous speed indicate exact speed of moving object at any instant of time. Now it is clear that average speed of moving object is mean of all speed occurred by vehicle during given instant of time. Now I am discuss about the second topic, that is average velocity and instantaneous velocity. So what do you mean by average velocity? Average velocity is the ratio of the displacement to time taken for the displacement. So average velocity equal to displacement divided by time taken. So average velocity is a vector quantity. Here displacement taken by car is shortest distance between two cities A and B, that is suppose 200 kilometers. So displacement is 200 kilometers and time taken for this journey is 4 hours. So here 50 kilometers per hour, that is average velocity. Now if direction is mentioned along with the instantaneous speed, then it is known as instantaneous velocity. So here I have discussed about the average speed, instantaneous speed, average velocity, instantaneous velocity. Now in next topic, I will explain you the difference between average speed and average velocity. Consider that car is moving on a straight road and the path of the car is taken along a x-axis. So here suppose case, path length, displacement, time interval, average speed and average velocity. Such kind of table is given. Case 1. Suppose car start from point A and reach to C. So path is A, B, C. The path length is 30 plus 30, 60 meter. And displacement, the final position 90 minus 30, so 60 meters is also displacement. Suppose time taken for this journey is suppose 15 seconds. So 60 divided by 50, average speed means path length divided by interval. So 60 divided by 50, that is 4 meter per second, that is average speed. And average velocity, displacement divided by time taken, 60 divided by 15, it is also 4 meter per second. Now in second case, suppose car start from point A, reach to C and come back to B. A, C, B. Here path length 30 plus 30, 60 plus 30, 90. 90 meter is path length. And displacement, final position is B, 60. Initial position is A, 60 minus 30, so 30 meter is displacement. And suppose time taken is also 15 seconds. So average speed, path length divided by time taken. So 90 divided by 15. So that is 6 meter per second is average speed. And displacement is 30. So 30 divided by 15. So 2 meter per second is average velocity. Now in third case, suppose car start from point B, reach to C and come back to A. B, C, A. So path length is 30 plus 30 plus 30, 90 meter. And displacement, final position is A, here 30, final position is A 30, initial position is B 60, 30 minus 60, minus 30 meter, that is displacement. Now suppose here in this case also consider that interval is 15 seconds. So 90 path length divided by time taken 15. So this average speed is 6 meter per second and displacement minus 30 divided by 15. So minus 2 meter per second, that is the average velocity. Now fourth case, suppose car start from point A, reach to C and come back to A. A, C, A. So 30 plus 30, 60 plus 30, 90 plus 9, 30, 120 meter is path length. And displacement, initial position and final position are same. So displacement is 0. Here in this route, time taken is also suppose 15 seconds. So path length divided by time taken, 120 divided by 15. So 8 meter per second, that is average speed. And displacement is 0 divided by time taken 15. So 0 is average velocity. So from this table, you can see that average speed is always positive and it is also greater or equal than average velocity. In this column, you can see that average velocity is positive, here also positive, here negative, and here 0. So average velocity may be positive, negative, or 0. Average velocity is always less or equal to the average speed. Thank you.